Hello friends, in front of me, I think, how should I introduce him? Sohan is sitting. He secured 333 marks in foundation. You can definitely judge his merit list, since in foundation there is no merit, but definitely one of the all India highest marks he secured in foundation. Now he is in CA Inter. He took my FM Eco class and definitely he is liking my class a lot, and he will be appearing in May 22 CA Inter exam. And I am very happy to declare that this person, this student will secure again one of the highest marks in the history of CA, and he is very dedicated. And why I am saying that? Because he secured 100% marks in his 12th exam. Yes friend, 100% marks. You can see in screen his mark sheet, and he would have also got 100% marks in CA foundation had he got enough time, because his both the paper, class 12 paper and foundation paper, were simultaneously happening. That's why he could have devoted much more time in foundation. He is definitely very intelligent. I am very excited to see his mark sheet of CA Inter. I have no imagination how much marks he will get. Brilliant student. 100%
Thank you
marks.
so much.
I have no words, Sohan. I am speechless. His father
Thank you
is a
so much,
chartered
sir.
accountant. He gets up daily at 6:30 in the morning. He do yoga daily, and in Saturday Sunday he practice badminton. Sohan, you are from planet Earth or you are from any other planet? Like कोई मिल गया and जादू type. What a brilliant
No, sir.
student you are. Seriously. All the motivations
Thank you,
for all
sir.
those students who are thinking of doing good. Sohan is the benchmark. Sohan is the role model for all of you. I have
Thank you,
no
sir.
words, Sohan. I have no words. I am completely speechless. My students used to score 100% marks, but seeing your mark sheet, I think that I am getting some complex. But I'm so proud that you choose me as a teacher, as a mentor. And definitely, I will like to add that in this attempt, my student scored All India rank 1. All India rank 1 in CA Inter. That's a big achievement.
Congratulations.
And in final also, our student used to secure All India rank 1. And
Oh,
I am thinking about you, and I am just imagining yourself as All India rank 1. Because I don't know,
yes.
I'm speechless seeing your mark sheet.
Sir,
So on, I am doing all the talks. Now it's up to you. I have no words for you. I have no words to praise you now. I have used all my words. You are an extraordinary, brilliant student. You are not from this planet Earth,
thank you, sir. Thank
but we have to accept it that you are also a student and you are also doing CA, and definitely you are getting good marks in CA Inter also. I am quite confident. Please go
sure,
ahead. Please
sir.
introduce yourself. Whole world wants to know about you and how you have liked my Inter Eco classes. You just finished one or two lectures. How you are liking it and what is your future expectations?
Hello, everyone. I'm Sohan. I'm from Karnataka, Raichur, and I recently purchased FMECO classes from Aditya Jain, sir. I have just watched two lectures and I've fallen in love with those lectures. It's not just fun and entertaining, but we'll get to learn a lot of new things as well. As FMECO is a new subject for us, we usually tend to get scared from such subjects. But Sir's teaching has made it so easy and more entertaining than every subject in CA intermediate course. I would like to add that CA intermediate used to be a fear for me for since I was in foundation because it was a huge step from foundation. But due to the coaching of our excellent teachers, it has become way much easier for us. And I'm sure that I will promise every teacher of mine that I will make sure to get an all India rank, first rank possibly. And due to our such great support and guidance, I'll be able to score surely like this.
Great. You are
I would
only
like to thank sir for giving this opportunity to speak to my dear teacher.
You are only 18 years of age, and definitely you are very, very focused, determined, very career oriented, always thinking about your career, always trying to seek some guidance from your mentor, approaching the
Yes,
mentor
sir.
and asking for guidance. Really, that's really very good, because
Thank you, sir.
once you follow right approach, CA is all about following right approach. If you follow correct approach, then it will not be difficult for you. The journey will be smooth. And if you follow
True, sir.
incorrect approach, and definitely your preparation is going to be not so good. So I am very much proud of you that you have proved yourself. In class 10th you scored 97%, in class 12th you scored 100% in all the papers, in all the papers, and in foundation you secured triple three marks.
Yes, sir.
Definitely hats off to you. So Sohan,
Thank you, sir.
if anybody wants any guidance in foundation, will you be able to provide them?
Sure, sir. I'll always be available for them.
So friends, anybody who wants guidance of foundation from Sohan, then please message and in comment box. Definitely Sohan will answer all the questions. Will have now lots of fan following, and whenever he clears his inter exam, we will ask Sohan to come again and give his interview, and final exam also same manner. So
Yes,
we have a
sir.
long way to go, Mr. Sohan. We will be in
Sure,
touch
sir.
in
Yes, sir.
entire journey of CA. I will guide you. I will be your mentor. I will suggest you, because I am having
Thank you,
15
sir.
years of experience, and I really am seeing you
Yes.
as one of the candidates who will really make history in CA education, and you are the
Thank
one
you,
who
sir.
will make history in CA education.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
So
and every time whenever I have support like yours, I'll surely be able to succeed in further in
so
future also, sir.
today's date is 27th September 2021. So we are locking
Yes.
this date, and we are again meeting one date when we can share your more success story. Thank you, Sohan, for coming.
Yes, sir.